and we should be live on Facebook. So let's start this again. For those of you, if you're watching on YouTube, my apologies, but I am Shannon Jones with the Shannon Jones team at Keller Williams Realty. We had a little bit of technical difficulty, and so here we are now. Talise Hendrick and Brad Jones are on the scene at 36 Corona. This is a fabulous townhome, and it's listed for 799,000. It is a two-bedroom, two-bath unit. I'm going to go ahead and put Shalise on camera here, and she will show you the street and the patio area. And there you are, Shalise. Let me just verify. Brad, if you can do a pan of the street, that way then we'll get a good view of the surrounding area, and then we'll be able to verify that this is now live on Facebook, and I can do that. So what you can see is that this is a really cute neighborhood. And like I said, you can see the parking for the beach right there at the end of the street. And so definitely phenomenal neighborhood. Um, and so you just get up, walk down to the sand. You can kiteboard. Rosie's Dog Beach is right there. If you want to kayak, you want to windsurf, whatever you want to do, this is a bike ride. Perfect location if you're active. And also, if you enjoy shopping, dining, whatever you enjoy in Belmont Shore, this is a great location. So, as you can see, the private patio, and there's Shalise Hendrick. Behind the camera, we've got Brad Jones. And thank you to those of you who are joining us. We apologize for getting started a few minutes late, but for some reason, Facebook did not start live in our scheduled stream. And so hopefully those of you who were looking there can find it. In the other one, there will be a recording later. But let's take a look around this fabulous townhome. Without further ado, Shalise, take us on a tour.
Follow me. We're going into 36 Corona. You can
see this complex has just 4 units in it. So it's a very small complex. And they're just side by side. So you don't have, anyone on top of you like you would with a regular condo. You can see this living room has built-in shelving. It's got recessed lights. The fireplace surround has just been updated. And not only is this move-in ready, but it comes with the furniture. So if you're looking for a beach home or a second home, maybe a weekend getaway, this is absolutely ideal. You don't even have to worry about furnishing it. Nice open floor plan. And just really nice finishes throughout, and the mirroring there you can see makes the space even larger, but there's plenty of room for not only your furniture but also your toys. So you've got a skateboard, a bike, no problem. It can go there, and there's some fun touches in this place. Definitely. Let's take a look at the kitchen.
So here is the kitchen. Pretty updated.
You can see it has a double sink.
Recessed lighting in the kitchen. Stainless steel appliances.
Solid surface counters, recessed lights. You've got a gas range, which of course is very nice for cooking with. And there's a built-in microwave. It's an efficient galley style kitchen, but behind that door over by where Shalise was, you'll note that there are some additional cabinets there. So you've got the floor to ceiling cabinets there. So there's actually a little more storage there than you might think at first look. It's just a nice, efficient kitchen. So let's go back out into the dining area and the living room. And again, that's overlooking your private patio. You're half a block from the beach in this great location. And you can see that there's very nice neutral flooring, neutral paint. So again, the furnishings are included, and this allows you to just come in and add your own touches. Just bring your clothes and your toothbrush, move right in, and you're ready to go. And there from the window, you have a nice view out on the quaint Belmont Shore neighborhood that you are right in the heart of. Let's take a look. There's some little storage there to the left of the stairs. And so a little bit of storage there, which you can see. And then also all of that lovely built-in cabinetry and the shelves, which is really, really nice. And then that gives a little opening to the loft area. Let's take a look at the loft. Okay. This is a really light, bright, airy space. And this could be a lot of different things. You can see it makes a very nice home office, a spot if you have a keyboard. It could be a playroom. You even could potentially put, like a fold out sofa there and have it as a guest space. It is bathed in natural light from the skylights. Again, just making it a super pleasant, airy space. So although this is 2 bedrooms, if you were thinking you needed a third bedroom for something like a home office or a playroom or a guest room, this really could fit that need because it's an extra space that's just sort of tucked away with all of that light. And I will say also that the building has recently had termite work done, and the roof was done, and there's been some other improvements in terms of painting, that type of thing. There you've got some great linen storage, which is always nice to have. So just take a look there real quickly. We don't need to look through the whole linen cabinet. It is there, which is nice to know. These are really good size bedrooms. And again, you've got high ceilings, making them light, bright, airy. And in this room, to give you a sense of the space, this is a California king bed. And so you can see there's plenty of room, not only to walk around it, but also to have a chair in the corner. And you're looking out, you've got so much light from that window. It's just a really pleasant space to wake up in, and what a great spot to call home. All right, so again, it's a nice sized bedroom, plenty of room here. And this one has dual closets. So there's a closet on the left and a closet on the right as you go into the master bedroom. So if you've got a lot of clothes, no problem. There's plenty of space for them. And then we go into the bathroom. And you can see, rather than cram 2 sinks into the space, and really, let's face it, how many times are you brushing your teeth together? Rather than do that, what they've done is they've put one sink and then given you a ton of counter space. And you've got both lighting above that sink area as well as natural light from the skylight. And again, there's tons of counter space there. And then, Brad, if you pan to the right, you can see there's a shower. And of course, as every bathroom has, there's a toilet. So, um, but, again, you've got the ensuite bathroom, which is really nice to have. Let's take a look at the second bedroom as well. Second bathroom, and then we go over to the second bedroom. And this one is done in kind of a little bit more of sort of a nautical kind of feeling. Um, but again, a nice bedroom, plenty of light and airy. And this one has a really convenient and cozy window bench seat there. So that's a nice feature that gives the room a little bit of extra character. And then there's a closet space there as well. So this is the second bedroom. And this is the second bathroom. And it's got a nice vanity, and there's a combination shower tub there. So this is the nice up-to-date bathroom. And then we go back out to the landing and down the stairs. So that's the upstairs there. Let's go back out again in case anyone is joining us now. Thank you so much. We appreciate you tuning in. I'm Shannon Jones with the Shannon Jones Team at Keller Williams Realty. And I'm not trying to be rude and talk over Shalise, but I realized I forgot to actually give her the mic, and it was sort of hard to hear her. So my apologies for talking over you, Shalise. But that's what's going on there. So downstairs, you've got the nice open space with a living room and dining area there. And oops, sorry. Let me turn that off. So anyway, so you've got the living room, dining room, and there is a built-in storage area there with shelving and cabinets under the stairs just to the side there. You have some storage in the dining area. There's enough room for a really pretty large dining table and chairs. Plus, if you want to stash your toys, if you've got, a bike or a skateboard, as many people do when they live by the beach, there is a spot that you can do that. So, um, anyways, lots of great space here. And then we're going to head back into the kitchen. This is a nice, efficient galley style kitchen, and you've got bright white shaker style cabinets, solid surface counters, stainless steel appliances, and it's a very efficient layout. So there's just not a lot of wasted space here, but you do have a nice dishwasher, a double stainless sink, and then this leads out to the back. So let's take a look. If you're living in Belmont Shore, of course, the walkability is phenomenal, but you also want to have a place to park. So let's take you back out so you can see where that is, because this does come with a garage space, and this is how you get to it. You walk along the side of the building out to the alley here, and then the garage space here is the one in the middle. And so you just open that up, pull your car in, and there you are. And I think a lot of people, once they pulled their car in, would not be leaving for much, because you pretty much can walk wherever you want to go. The walk score here, walk score has it at about at a 72, but I really can't think of much you can't walk to from here. Whether you want restaurants or shopping or beach, recreation, there's just so much right within a short stroll of this great condo. There you've got the alley. Let's walk out again so you can get a view of the front as well. We'll go through the condo or along the side so you can get a good view of that. Um, Someone does have a barbecue here, but you also have your own private patio space out front that is, super convenient. And, in Belmont Shore, if you're not familiar with the area, this is a spot where lots of people really do entertaining and outdoor living on their patios. It's a great place to sit, have a glass of wine or a cup of coffee, and get to know your neighbors and say hello. And what you'll see when you walk through the neighborhood is that many people um, do entertain and spend time on their patios is part of the everyday rhythm of living in Belmont Shore. So that's about it. If anyone has any questions, please let us know. You can send us. Go ahead and go back to the split screen here. Again, I'm Shannon Jones and Shalise Kendrick and Brad Jones behind the camera. There he is waving. And we really appreciate you, whether you're joining us live or watching this later. We appreciate your interest in 36 Corona Unit B. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. You can call us at 562 896 2456. You can send us a message on Facebook or Instagram. And we hope that you have a safe and wonderful holiday weekend. And thanks again. Take care. Bye bye.